What is a Gantt chart? A Gantt chart is a chart that shows the time frame of a project broken down by each individual task. It consists of the time frame that contains the start date and finish date of the project. The Gantt chart shows the duration, slack time, and time overlap of tasks in a horizontal representation that helps plan, coordinate, and track specific tasks. In this Gantt chart here, you can see the task name, this is task 1, the start date, the end date, and the duration. The start date for this task 1 is on the 16th and the end date is on the 21st. From the 16th to the 21st, there is a duration of 5 days, so that means it will take 5 days to complete this task. This is why this bar is this long, so it starts from the 16th and finishes the 21st. This is an example of a Gantt chart where they have the task, this is the name of the task, the start date, and the duration. In this one, it doesn't have the end date, it's created in an Excel document where they show the chart. It doesn't have the end date because it has the duration. It's not necessary to have an end date because once you have the duration, you will know what date it will finish. So if this starts on the 1st, it will finish on the 5th. This is another example of the Gantt chart where it has the task name, start date, finish date, duration, and completion, percentage completion. This one here, it shows that it's 50% complete. The green indicates how much percentage is complete and the blue indicates how much is incompleted. So see, so it's 50% incomplete in this one here. This one is 100%, so it is completed, and this one is 0%, means it isn't started yet. What is a PERT chart? A PERT chart is a project management tool used to organize, schedule, and coordinate tasks within a project, where it is used to calculate the amount of time it takes to finish a project. It shows the dependencies between tasks where they can be done in parallel and shows slack time in rectangles. It is displayed in the form of a network diagram consisting of a number of nodes which represent events or milestones in the project that is linked by label vectors representing tasks in the project. This here shows the start. These are tasks that needs completed. This date here would indicate the start date. This will be time period. Here is the duration, and this will be the end date for which this task needs to be completed until it can do this task here, and it shows the flow until it reaches the end date. This is an example of a PERT chart. This is the planning phase, the design, the development and testing flow, and then this is the documentation. This is another example. What is a CPM chart? A CPM chart is a step-by-step project management method for scheduling a set of project activities by defining the critical and non-critical tasks with the goal of averting time frame problems and process bottlenecks. Projects with independent activities can apply this method of mathematical analysis so as to produce maximum practical efficiency. See in this one here, this is the start, this is the task, is the flow in which it goes. See, estimated start date, duration, estimated finish date. Shows on its end. This is an example of a CPM. So this is a 1 day, and this task will be finished in 1 day, where it flows to this one, and this one will finish in 2 days in order for this to be a completed finish. Needs to put all these tasks in order to reach here. This is another example of a CPM chart. Start. In order to do A to go to D, this task needs to be completed within 3 weeks, while C needs to complete it in 2 weeks. C to go to F needs to be completed in 1 week in order for it to finish. And that's the end.